Plus or minus the square root of 11.
Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and these are the notes
Same
for
thing
Thursday.
here.
So let's start with your
I'm
name.
Take the square root of both sides. So I took the square root of x squared and plus or minus the square root of 72. So my answer is plus or minus the square root of 72.
And today is the 21st.
I can break this down and simplify it.
There. Okay.
So plus or minus.
So today is Thursday the 24th. On Tuesday,
6 times 6 times 2.
what's that? The 26th. So you have a test.
Plus or minus 6 square root of 2. Nope, right there. Plus or minus 6 square root of 2. We're going to take the square root of a fraction. I can't take the square root of 75, and I can't take the square root of 3, but I can simplify 75 over 3. 75 over 3 is 25.
So you have a test on Tuesday, 5/26/2020. Today you're going to study for it.
Definitely going to need a calculator here. So in order to solve for this, I'm going to take the square
on
root of both sides.
5/26. That's next week, Tuesday.
X squared.
You must get password.
And plus or minus the square root of 1,369. I used my calculator and I found out that that is 37. So my answer is plus or minus 37. That means 37 squared equals 1,369. And
by 10:30 a.m.
1,369.
I will be in Zoom from 7:45 to 10:30, ready to give out passwords. If you miss that window, you're going to have to just wait for me to check my email or check my text messages to give you a password. This is when I plan on giving out passwords in this date range, or in this time range. Okay. Today's notes then, to study.
X squared equals 1/4. So if I take the square root of both of these, the square
do
root
the practice
of
test,
squared and the square root of 1/4, square root of 1/4 is 1/2, plus or minus 1/2. Cube root of both sides, cube root of 1 is 1.
And if you want more practice,
27 is 3. Notice there's no plus or minus on the cubes, but there is a plus or minus on the squares. X
you can
cubed
redo the
equals
pretest. So
135.
nothing crazy there. So these are the notes for today. You have a test next week, Tuesday. You must get the password for that test by 10:30 a.m. To study, you do the practice test or the optional pretest. Okay, those are the notes. Thank you for watching.